So Nephrocare Health Services is a recently listed stock which provides end-to-end dialysis in India and abroad, and I believe this stock is futuristic and it is a promising investment. Why is that? Let's find out in this video. Just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational video to help you make better trading and investment decisions. So with that said, let's go to the screen. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is the official website of Nephrocare Health Services, okay, and I believe this could be a potential good investment. Why is that? Okay, so nothing much to see here in the official website. I'll share the link, you can go through it and you'll get to know a lot about this company. Now coming to the investment point of view, so we see that the stock's current price is just under 650 with a market cap of 6,461. So technically it's a mid cap company. Okay, now the reserves it has is under 600 crore and a debt of almost 261.5 crore. So the debt to equity ratio is under check and it is 0.45. Now 3 years average sales growth is 33.50, which is a good number. Operating profit growth 3 years average is 72 and same with earning per share 70.80. So this is looking strong and you can see it is the highest among this entire list. Okay, the 7 stocks that we can see. Interest coverage ratio is 5, which is good. Current ratio above 1.5 is good. Operating profit margin is 22. We have to see how it has been historically. Now the industry P is 34.84 and the stock P is 82. So it is kind of overvalued, but that is a good thing. Okay, ultimate Z score of above 12 is very good. Okay, now coming to the profit and loss statement. So when we check last 3 years performance, we can see there is growth in sales 437 to 566, then 756. Operating profit 49 to 101, then 167. Now the operating profit margin 11% to 18%, big jump, then 18 to 22%. Okay, good jump. So 11 to 22% in 2 years. That means the operating profit margin has almost doubled. Not almost, it has doubled in just 2 years span. Okay, so which is really a good thing. Now you can see the operating the earning per share, that has also gone up. It was in loss, it was in negative here, then it turned into a good operating good earning per share 169.82 to 321.87. so this is a good jump. Now coming to the shareholding pattern, we see we have 2 quarters of data. Okay, and the promoters have kept their stake consistent at 63.85 63.85. Now the FIs have increased their stake from December 2025 to March 2026 quarter from 9.30 to 9.94. so 0.64 percentage increase in stake by the FIs, which is really good. DI is 8.10 to 8.64. so they have also increased their stake by 0.54%. so we can safely say that both the smart monies, I mean of FIs and DIs have increased their stake by more than 0.5% in last quarter. So that's a big signal that yes, they believe the future of this stock, this company could be good. That's why they are adding more into this stock. So overall I would say the fundamentals are looking good to me. Now let's go to the important part, that is the price action. So this is the raw price action chart of Nephrocare Health Services in daily time frame. So you can see it was listed in 17th December 2025. Okay, at the price band of almost 500, then it went up to 615, that came down, again went up, again came down, and then finally we are getting to see a big green candle, okay, which happened on Friday 15th May. Okay, so now this might be looking like a simple price action, but there are many hidden things here. First of all, we have to see the price at which the maximum volume has occurred, and we'll use the fixed range volume profile. So I use the high and the low, and we can see this lies somewhere around here. I can draw one line here, the green line I have drawn, and you can see that after this level was broken, the stock started the rally. Okay, and if I go to the 4-hour time frame, I can nicely draw one trend line here as well, connecting these points. Okay, and here is the trend line, and you can see the stock actually started using it as a support here, then finally gave the breakout. So this is a clear signal of bullish momentum in action. Okay, when I go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see a better picture. You can see big green candle, then a pullback, then again 2 big green candles, then small red candles pullback, and finally they could not push the price down. I mean the bears. Then the bulls came into action and they pushed the price upward. So in 1 hour time frame, let's see the volume, and we can see big volume bars. Okay, here the big volume bar supporting the big green candle. So this is a clear indication that this stock has actually caught the bullish momentum as of now. So is it a good time to invest? So technically yes, but is it a good investment for you? That only you can answer. You have to do your own deep research and then arrive at a conclusion if you should invest in this stock or not. This is just the fundamental and technical side I showed you. Okay, this is the approach or process you can follow. Once you are convinced that yes, this is a company which is worth investing, then you can use the knowledge I have shared to come at a conclusion that if you should go with the stock or not. So I hope this video was useful and informative. If it was, please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord, and you can ask your queries. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.